Welcome. In front of me I have the Nokia T21, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to this tablet. Now to get started, you want to navigate into the Google folder, open up the Contacts application, gonna skip signing in, and from here you want to select Fix and Manage, Import from SIM. This will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card that is inserted obviously into the device. From there you can deselect some contacts that you might not want. If you see some contacts that are already deselected, that means that these contacts exist on your device and the tablet is just preventing you from importing it twice. Anyway, from there we're gonna select Import, and I'm not sure if the app crashed. There we go. So the import them, as you can see. And additionally, if you're logged into your Google account, just to go back in here, you would have option to change where you're importing your contacts to, somewhere around right here below the select contacts and right above the contacts themselves. So you could change it from the device, which is set by default right now for me, to, for instance, your Google account. But because I don't have any Google account signed in here, it's not giving me that option. So as you can see, it's automatically doing this to the device. But once you have imported your contacts to the device, and for instance you selected your Google account as a method, you might need to change it from the device right here. So you just click on this icon and then select the Google account that will be visible somewhere here. Once you click on it, it will automatically change to display contacts from that location, just as I can change it to SIM card. So this will remove the contacts that are, or not show me the contacts that are on the device, but show me everything that is on the SIM card in here. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.